This is the overhead press cable machine to work your shoulder and your deltoid muscles. This one, if you ever forget what it does, there's a plaque on the machine where it will demonstrate some of the different ways this machine can be used. The first thing you want to do is select the weight that you'd like to use on the machine. I always recommend starting low and then adding more weight as you need to. In this case, I'm going to start here at a 5 pound, and you want to make sure you adjust 5 pounds on both sides because they are on separate weight stacks, and you want to make sure that you're using that weight evenly. This machine has a seat adjustment as well with a little yellow tab indicating that it does allow adjustment. Here, in this case, I'm gonna tilt upward and allow it to fall down so that it's at a comfortable height for my height. Go ahead and take a seat. You're gonna grab the handles, and for this one, you're working your shoulders, so you're going to bring your arms upright. The nice thing about cables is that it gives you a little bit more range of motion. So if you do have a previous shoulder injury or a specific track of motion doesn't feel super comfortable, you do have an option with these cables. So you can do both arms or you can do single arm.